Welcome to this tutorial on the Preferences section of Zeo Route Planner. In this video, we'll explore how you can customize your platform settings to fit your business operations perfectly. Let's get started. From your Zeo dashboard, click on the user icon on the left sidebar, go to Settings, and then select Preferences. This is where you manage your system-wide preferences, from language and time zone to how your reports, routes, and driver options behave inside Zeo. At the top, you can adjust your language and time zone to match your location. Zeo automatically adapts your route timings, estimated arrivals, and schedule settings based on the time zone you choose. Next, you'll find the country code, which sets the phone number prefix used for drivers and customers, especially useful for international operations. Under Distance In, you can switch between kilometers and miles, depending on your region or measurement preference. Then comes Time Format, where you can choose between 12-hour or 24-hour display, whichever feels more comfortable for your team. You can also define the default wait time for stops. This tells Zeo how long a driver is expected to wait at each delivery or pickup point. For example, you might set it to 2 minutes for quick drop-offs or 5 minutes for service-heavy stops. This wait time is automatically factored into the total duration of the optimized route, ensuring your ETAs and schedules stay accurate and realistic. Below that, there's the fuel cost per kilometer or mile field. This helps you estimate route expenses more accurately during reporting and planning. Moving down, we have Avoid Params. This setting lets you define specific road types or parameters you want Zeo to avoid during optimization. For instance, tunnels, ferries, or highways. You can choose your preferences easily from the drop-down list. Now, let's look at some advanced preferences on the right side. Proof of Delivery, POD, helps ensure every delivery is confirmed properly. When this is enabled, drivers can capture a customer signature, take a delivery photo, or both, providing solid confirmation that the delivery was successfully completed. It's a simple but powerful way to build customer trust and reduce delivery disputes. Next is POD Payment, or a proof of payment. This option records whether the driver collected a payment, either in cash or digitally, directly at the point of delivery. It helps your team maintain accurate financial tracking, especially for cash-on-delivery operations. Another useful feature is mandatory failure reasons. When enabled, drivers are required to provide a reason if they fail to complete a stop. This could be anything from customer unavailable to address incorrect. It's a great way to identify recurring issues and improve operational reliability. Zeo even allows custom failure reasons, so you can type and save your own reasons in addition to the default ones. These custom reasons are stored for future use and appear alongside the standard list whenever a driver marks a failed stop. Then there's Report Configuration, one of the most powerful tools for analytics. This lets you customize exactly what data appears in your exported reports. When you open it, you'll see a list of available fields like route IDs, driver names, stop durations, and completion status. Simply tick the boxes for the data you want, untick what you don't need, and click Apply. Your exports, whether in Excel or CSV format, will now contain only the information that matters to you. Next up is Route Edit by Driver. When this setting is enabled, drivers can adjust their assigned routes directly from their mobile app. This is especially useful for handling live conditions, like last-minute address changes or customer requests. It gives your drivers flexibility without compromising visibility. Now, let's talk about customer calling. With this feature turned on, customers receive a live tracking link that includes a call driver option. They can directly contact the assigned driver without going through dispatch, making communication faster, simpler, and more transparent. Another intelligent setting is skip stops for re-optimization. During a route, you can mark each stop as successful, failed, or skipped, depending on the outcome of the visit. When enabled, any skipped stops will automatically be included again when you re-optimize a route. It then recalculates a fresh optimized route that includes both the skipped and remaining stops, ensuring no location is left out. This is perfect for drivers who need to revisit missed deliveries later in the day while still following the most efficient path. Lastly, we have mandatory stop completion. This setting ensures that drivers cannot close or mark a route as complete unless every stop has been marked as delivered or accounted for. It adds an extra layer of accountability, helping fleet managers maintain accuracy and prevent accidental route closures. Once you've adjusted all the settings as per your needs, click Update Preferences at the top right corner. Your changes will be saved instantly and applied across your account. And that's it! You've now learned how to manage everything inside Preferences. From basic configurations like time format and fuel cost to advanced workflow features like proof of delivery, reoptimization, and mandatory stop completion. By fine-tuning these settings, you can make Zeo work exactly the way your business does. Faster, smarter, and more efficient every single day. Thanks for watching, and happy routing with Zeo Route Planner.